Hi folks, I'm Marty Martin, and today we're going to be covering By the Light of the Silvery Moon. By the light of the silvery moon, I want to spoon to my honey I'll croon love's tunes. Honeymoon, keep a shining in June. Your silvery beams will bring love's dreams. We'll be cuddling soon by the silvery moon. By the light, not the dark, not the light of the silvery moon, not the sun but the moon. I want to spoon at night, but spoon to my honey I'll croon love's tunes. Honeymoon, not the sun but the moon, keep us shining in June. Your silvery beams will bring love's dreams. We'll be cuddling soon by the silvery moon. So that was the song, and now we're going to look at the breakdown. I'm going to play it a little bit slower, and I'm going to be calling out the chords because some of these chords are a wee bit different from what you're probably used to, particularly those E minor 7 chords. So I'll call them out when we get to them. So we'll take it through a bit slower, okay? By the light, so you're playing a G, of the silvery, back to the C, moon, I want to spoon into your D. Then we're going to D7, and then this D7 is the one I use here. It's basically, there's 3 different ways you can do a D7. One is this way. You're barring the 2nd fret and you're using your 2nd finger on the 1st string and the 3rd fret. Another way to do it is to, if you're coming from a C chord, it's kind of useful. Keep that C chord shape and put the 2nd finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and the 1st finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. That's the second way of doing a D7. And another way of doing a D7 is by, if you took that 3rd finger off and you had these 2 on, that's another way you can do a D7. So it's really whatever's convenient in terms of what song you're playing as to how easy it is to get in and out of those particular chords, okay? So I'll take that from the top again. By the light, playing your G, going into the C-nix. By the silvery moon, I want to spoon to my honey I'll croon love's, back to D7, June, honeymoon, keep a shining in June. Your silvery beams. And then what I do there is I take these 2 fingers off and I slide into the A7. So I'm coming from the G and I'm going to slide into the A7. Okay? So it'll be silvery beams will bring love's dreams will be. And then now we're going to go into the E7. So what I want you to do, the easiest way to get into E7 is coming from your G. If you take the 3rd finger off, that would be in your E minor 7, okay? We'll be cuddling, and then into your D7, soon by the silvery moon. So I'm going to play that 2nd verse again. Honeymoon, keep a shining in June. Your silvery beams will bring love's dreams. We'll be cuddling soon by the silvery moon. Next verse. By the light, not the dark, not the light of the silvery moon, I want to spoon to my honey I'll croon love's tune. Honeymoon, not the sun but the moon, keep it shining in June. Your silvery beams will bring love's dreams. We'll be cuddling soon the silvery moon. So straightforward enough. So give that a wee go, and when you get your speed up, you can try that just a little bit faster. And hopefully that'll help you. And until next week, keep strumming and keep her lit.